Uh, so college is the 15th, January 15th. It will be open. Okay. Right. Everyone see the. First, I go through the points. Once again, I'm going to explain. So those we are new topic. Everyone, you should be slowly. I'm explaining. You should be follow the new topic. Everyone. So because of we are going to explain continuity. Friday holiday, sir. Why holiday? Friday. January 15 is the Sankranti na. Acha, 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 acha. Okay, okay. I will be inquired. I will be see one time. It may be holiday means they will be change. I was Monday they will put. I hope that 14th, sir. No, sir. I think Sankranti is on Thursday. Okay, Thursday means Friday. It will be open. No problem. Sankranti is the one day holiday only. No problem. But government is telling still 15 is they are telling date. Any changes will be regarding that one. We can see. Wait and see. Right. Right, everyone see the, once again I am going to explain the points. We can see in our notes, trigonometry will be divided as a tree name, trigonometry. Tree means three, gono means sides, metry means measurement. Three sides measurement mean three angles, three side, everything we are going to consider in that one only. Okay, na? Three sides, three angles, whatever we are going to add. So regarding first we are going to start with the sides. So sides, and regarding that one we are going to work out by the right angle triangle is the trigonometry. Its equations, trigonometry equations also we can be find by the algebraical relation is the trigonometric equation. Angles and sides relation is the properties of the triangle. So there is isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle and in center, house and everything. Properties of the triangle will become. So therefore, trigonometry part is they are going to divide by this step by step. Okay, na? First, identity of the trigonometry. Identities of the trigonometry we are going to start. Okay, na? First is the identities of the trigonometry. This is the introduction topic. Trigonometry of the identities. First, so three sides measurement is called as a trigonometry. So always triangle names take it as a anti-clockwise direction, not in the clockwise direction. The names of the vertices of a triangle in anti-clockwise direction. You should be remembered. Okay, na? Right. Next one. Sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Modulus value is called as a absolute value, mean always make it as a positive. How can you make it as a positive mean? Modulus of A plus C is less than B mean. It's different. This is called absolute value. Two lines between we write means absolute value. Absolute value we can be represent. Absolute value we can be represent. So how make it absolute value means positive value. How make it as a positive value mean inside is negative. Inside is negative value. For example, -3. Open modulus with minus of -3 and make it as a positive. Therefore, inside value is a negative. Modulus is open with negative. Negative into negative will multiply, make it as a positive. Okay, na? Absolute value will be open. Modulus will be open with negative. Negative into negative will be multiplied and make it as a positive. Sir, inside value is positive. Then modulus is open with positive. Positive into positive is the positive. Therefore, no. Depending upon absolute value, so modulus only open upon inside value, depending upon the inside value. Inside is the negative value, modulus will be open with the negative. Inside is a positive value, modulus will be opened with the positive. This point is clear, right? Already we know that sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Yes, Amrish, okay. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Next, two sides are, first one side is greater than the another side, means that angle is also greater than the another angle. So two side, sir, one is a negative and other one is, no question of total result by adding what is the result is. By adding what is the result? One is a negative, one is a positive, total we get it as either positive or negative now. So whatever it may be, one is positive, okay, 3 is positive, 5 is negative. What is the simplification after then is? After simplification. So after simplification we see, okay na? So compulsory numerical values only we can take. For simplification, compulsory we take the numerical values, okay na? Right, next. Two sides are one side is greater than the another side, means that angle is greater than the angle. Okay, na? So that is called side and angles relation. Already you read in the 9th class. Side and side angle, angle and side angle. Side and angles are interchanges, angles are interchanges. Okay, na? That is the side angle side. Angle side angle relations we read in the 8th and 9th classes. You have remember now that point? Circumcircle. Circumcircle means circle is outside. Come mean circum, occupy the outside. Circumcircle mean the circle is outside. The circle is the outside of the triangle. Is called as a circumcircle. Its center is called as a circumcenter. Its radius is called as a circumradius. The circle is outside of the triangle. That is called as a circumcircle. The circle is inside the triangle. The circle is inside the triangle. Is called as a incircle. Circum means out, in means inside. Inside the circle. Inside the circle, this is called incenter, and the radius is called in radius. In radius. Okay, na? In radius. Okay, na? Right. These points are completed last class. Everyone noting these points now, everyone? Right. Now today we are going to start the new point, angle. What is the angle is? What is the angle? Angle. Everyone see. The least measurement. Seventh rule, observe. What is the seventh rule is? In circular, just circle is inside the triangle. The circle is inside the triangle. It is not passing through this. The circle is inside the triangle. That means the three sides are touching the three circle is touching the three sides. Then inside the circle is inside the triangle is called as a incircle. Incircle. Everything is the before is the in. Circum means before is the circum. In means before is the in. This is called incenter, and the radius is called in radius. Radius is called in radius. Okay, na? So now angle, everyone see this. The least measurement of the rotation. The least measurement of the rotation between the initial or ending or terminal line. Now see the least angle between the initial, this is the initial line. This is the initial line. This is the fixed point. This is the fixed point. Fixed point. Okay, na? This is the fixed point. This is the fixed point. This is the initial line. Fixed point is the A and B. Total line is the initial line. From the fixed point, the line is slowly rotating. The line is slowly rotating in that one, and after rotating it will be stopped at one ending point. So AC is the terminal line. It is slowly rotating. So rotating AC is the terminal line, ending line or rotational line. This is called terminal line. Terminal line or rotational line. Rotational line, different name, rotational line or ending line, these are the different names. So this is the rotating. In this one, least angle, this is the least is called as the angle. What is the maximum least is called as the angle. This is also angle. This is also angle. This is also angle. But least one is called as the angle. Okay, na? Least one is called as the angle. Angle is represented by the letter of theta. V model, that is a theta. Okay, na? Angle is represented as a theta. In the Greek, it is in the wording of our letter is the re model. Re model of our alphabetical letter is the re model, that is called as a theta. Now, the angle is moving upside. The angle is moving upside. That is a positive angle. Moving is upside is a positive angle. The angle is moving downside. So this is the initial line, fixed point. The angle is moving downside is a negative angle. The line is moving downside. So the angle is, line is moving downside. Then the angle is a negative. The line is moving upside. That is simply representation. Angle is moving upside is a positive angle. Moving downside is a negative angle. So moving downside is a negative angle. That is the main. Okay, na? Angle is moving upside is a positive angle. Angle is moving downside is a negative angle. For example, now see, this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Fixed point. This is the y-axis. Fixed point is the horizon. So here one line is moving. One line is moving. This is the line. If the angle is so upside, this is called as a positive angle. This is called as a positive. If the line is moving downside, if the line, that angle is moving in downside, then angle is a negative angle. This moving upside is called as a anti-clockwise direction. Moving upside is called as a anti-clockwise direction. Moving upside is called as a anti-clockwise direction. The moving clockwise direction, downside is called as a clockwise direction. Downside is called as a clockwise direction. Therefore, clockwise direction angle is the negative and anti-clockwise direction is the positive. So why you are getting confusion? That's why easy method is angle is moving upside is the positive, angle is moving downside is the negative. That's it. Easy for remembering. Everyone point is understand? Anyone is doubt? Anyone is doubt? We get this concept. This concept is clearly understand? No doubt, sir. Okay, observe, no doubt, sir. Any other persons? My concept is understand? My line is moving, angle is moving upside, positive. Angle is moving downside, negative. Amruta, BP, what is the man? I don't understand your BP. I don't understand what it say the BP. Okay, understand? Understood, sir. Okay, okay. Your BP is understood. Right. Everyone. Right. Okay, Nichal understood. No doubt, Nama, Nichal Kulagandi, everyone. So, moving upside, what is the definition, sir? Right. The least angle between the two rotational lines with fixed point. I will write definition, I will write on the board. First point is understand. First point is understand. So, if angle is downside is the 90, then it is minus. Yes, downside is the negative, minus 90 is correct. Yes, exactly correct. So what you are saying is the downside is the minus 90. Exactly correct. No doubt. So angle is, I will explain that. That is also we get. Understood. Very good. Understanding point is the clear now? Right. Very good. Right. So what is the definition he is asking, Mr. Abhay? That's why I'm writing the definition here. Everyone note down the definition. Least measurement. Write down least measurement. Least measurement of rotation. Least measurement of rotation between initial and between initial and terminal and terminating ray. Terminating ray have the different names. What is the different names in the end ray or rotation ray or rotation ray. Okay, rotation ray. This is the definition. The least measurement of the rotation between initial and terminating ray. Terminating ray have the different names. End ray or rotation ray or final ray also. Or final ray. Some books will give you some names. Or final ray. Draw the figure. So fixed point, from the fixed point, the line is, so this is the initial line. So this is this point is the fixed point. From the fixed point, the line is going upside. Terminal line is going upside. So rotation line, end ray is going upside. Final line is going upside, then the angle is positive. Right? This is the initial line, initial fixed point. This is the initial line. This is the initial line. The final ray, ending ray. So ending ray is going downside, then angle is negative, end ray. Right. Okay, right? So moving upside is a positive and final line is moving upside positive, end ray is moving downside negative. Okay, right? Right. Next point is, I am going to rub everyone. Next point, note down. Angle exceeding 360 degrees. Angle exceeding 360 degrees. Put the heading. Angle exceeding 360 degrees. Now see. So now Afzal is asking the question. See, initially least angle is the theta. So this is the fixed point. This is line is going upside. Angle is the positive. Okay, na? Right. This is the line, initial line. This line is going vertical. Angle is 90 degrees. This is the initial line. This is the initial line. This is the fixed point. This is the final line. But angle is moving upside. Therefore, positive angle 90 degrees is positive. Next point is, this is the initial line. This is the initial line. Initial line. This is the another line is coincide. A is the fixed point. This is the end line. End ray. This angle is moving upside. So positive 180 degrees. So this is the 90. This is the 180 degrees. Okay, next, come to the. So here is this side. So this is the initial line. Initial line. The angle is moving upside. So here is the vertical is the 90, horizontal is the 180. So 0, 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90 is the 270 degrees. 270 degrees. Okay, na? Very good, Abzal, very good. So this is the 90, 180. So 90, 90 is adding. So 180 plus 90 is the 270 degrees. Last one, right, see. Last one I am drawing a figure here. Everyone see, here is initial line. So another line is coincide with this line only. Coincide with this line only. Complete angle, very good. Complete angle. So round is completed. Complete angle, very good. And above moving terminal line is the this position. What is the angle is? Tell me, now tell me. What is the angle is? One circle is completed 360 plus angle is moving upside. This is related to theta. 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. Okay, na? 360 plus theta. Reflex angle. Okay, okay. Okay, Rahul, that is also completed. So we enter into that one also. Next, we can come into the point to point. Right. Can I understand the points? Rotation of the exceeding the 360. So 360 more, 360 plus theta. How to find theta of any angles? Yes, coming. Now only now starting. Now only just you are a kid in trigonometry. Now only we are a milk boy. So next Annaprasa, everything is there now. Now at a time I am going to the colleges, sir, means how it is possible. Slowly, step by step, we will come step by step. First only we are kid, taking the milk one by one step. Yeah. Okay, na? Next every point, how to find angle, everything will come. Next put the heading is next put the heading is measurement of angles. Measurement of angle. Measurement of angle. Measurement of angle. Now we are going to how to find the theta is asking that Mr. Abhay. Now we are entering one by one step entering. Don't everything will be entering where step by step. So like everything is C. So first is LKG, next UKG, first class, 10th class. After then only. So you are immediately we cannot go to the officer. Okay, na? All right. Measurement of angle. Everyone see. Measurement of angle is how we are going to work out the measurement of the angle is C. First, British system is tell that one measurement system. British system is tell that one measurement system. That is we are using now. That is the system. Uh, All right. See, everyone, British system we are going to use present, and before only Greeks also tell one system. Next, one more system also they are telling circular system of the SI system. Number of systems is there, but now present is a easy. Throughout world is following the British system only. That is the degrees, minutes, and seconds. Okay, na? Degrees, minutes, and second. That is the British system. Present we are following the that system only. System angle is degrees. That is we are following the degrees. Angle is in degrees only. Extra angle we are going to represent in minutes, and extra angle we have is we represent in seconds. Okay, na? Degrees, minutes, and second. Radians is in which systems are? Yes, we are coming. We are coming. Yes. First one put sexagesimal. Sexagesimal system. Hexadecimal system, that is called British system. British system. So Britishers are ruling throughout the world. That's why we are using the British system only. Greeks are came, but the system is failed. But Britishers are more days they are ruling the throughout the world. That's why we are accepting the British system. Throughout the world is following the British system only. Okay, na? So in that one, what we are having that one is, so one right angle they will take. So at that time, first they are going to, Aryabhatta is telling decimal, sexagesimal, not decimal, sexagesimal, not decimal, sexagesimal. Okay, na? Sexagesimal, not decimal system, sexagesimal system. That is called British system. Okay, na? So here is, so Britishers they take first Aryabhatta is introducing, he belongs to Kerala. So he is introducing the movement of the movement of the planets. In that one, their movement is there. What is the angle between them? So first you have to introduce by the Aryabhatta. First, actually, Aryabhatta is introducing. They copied by the British. They copied by the British, and they went their area. They bring all the material. What Aryabhatta is written, that material is they bring to the Britain, and there they have to be developed, and they put their name only. But no one cannot be objection because of they are rulers. So at that time they are rulers. No one cannot objection. That's why we accept the system only. Actually, firstly, introduction given by the angles is the by Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta system is followed. It is in Sanskrit. It is in Sanskrit. Aryabhatta. They have to be, but he is returning between the angles between the every two planets and what how it is moving, what is the gravitational force, and everything he will be represented. But they have to be modified for conveniently for our people's language. That is called as a British system. But we are At the time we are identified, they tell we are accepted, everyone is accepted. That's why we are following the hexadecimal system. What first Aryabhatta is saying that 190 degrees is dividing, 90 degrees is representing, first one right angle is equal to 90 degrees. One right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Next, what is the next after 90 degrees, sir? What is the next thing? So he is asking that in one is at that time they cannot mention the radian. At that time they will be only time is telling that hours and minutes and second. First he say that one right angle is the 90 degrees mean. Immediately what after extra 90 degrees, 92, 93, we say that 92 degrees are what we are going. Immediately it will be explained 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Minute means dash. Degree means upside is the zeros. And 1 radian, 1 right angle is equal to 90 degrees. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That means 1 degree is dividing as a 60 minutes. 1 degree, 1 right angle is called as a 90 degrees. Okay, now first we introduce the 90 degrees. Each 1 degree is called as a 60 minutes. That means 1 degree is dividing as a 60 minutes. 60 minutes he will be dividing. Next, 1 minute is equal to, already we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Next, we will say that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Seconds is the 2 dots. Seconds is the 2 dots. So degrees is the 0. Upside is the representing degrees. That is the representation. Sir, any power is a 0, na? Not power. Here is a degree representation. So 90 degrees representation. Power means how can you write? 90 to the power of 0 we can write. Okay, na? So here is the degrees representation. 1 degree is the 60 minute. He is dividing 1 degree as a 60 minute. 1 minute is dividing as a 60 seconds. Okay, na? 60 seconds. Next, what he say that how can you represent, sir? This is what is the writing system in? Writing system in any one we have x degrees, y minutes, extra is the degrees, extra is the y minute, minutes, extra is the seconds, they will be represent. X degrees. So writing system is the x degrees, y minutes, and z second they are going to represent. This is the British system. Understand? One right angle they will take. Right angle means, so 2 lines are perpendicular is the right angle. So that's why first he will be right sand watch. We can be see visiting the Delhi meet. We can be see sand watch. So that is the first they are preparing. 90 degrees they are preparing. 3 and 12, 90 degrees they are preparing. Next is the movement is called seconds. They are going to represent minutes. Next movements is called seconds. They are going to represent. So that is the sand watch is there. One time we can see means how our forefathers is prepared watch. We can understand. Okay, now clear everyone? Right. This is the sexagesimal, not decimal system. Sexagesimal system. This is the British system. Okay, right. In this one, next one is centesimal system, that is called Greek and French members. They are going to develop, but this is we are not going to take grading system. Also, we are saying. And what means sand is moving from top to bottom. No. Sand is not moving from top to bottom here. Time is sand is not moving from top to bottom. There is a sand. They have to be prepared one sand, and along with the 2 sticks is there. 2 sticks is there. That according that one, so sand is up and down, it will come. Then the sticks will be movement is there. One time we can see means clearly, practically we can understand. Okay, na? One time we can see means clearly, practically we can understand. Telling is the simple, but how it is working is a very extraordinary. Very extraordinary. One time we can see me visit there and see it is a very extraordinary thing. So how they are going to calculate how this sand is coming down. Yes, 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 Richard. Yes, yes, yes. Not sand jar, not sand. Watch is prepared by the sand only. So the light, depending upon light, where yes, it is in the museum of the Delhi. We can go there. Means one time we can see. Okay, na? So that is a very nice. Everyone, one time we can.